बट जो आपका पहला इंसिडेंट हुआ था, मतलब मैं ऑनेस्टली बताता हूँ, हम लोग ने जब कंटेंट शुरू किया था, मैं हमेशा से आई हैव बीन द क्रिकेट गाय, क्योंकि मेरा बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है, एंड मोहित हैज़ बीन द फुटबॉल गाय, ठीक है। मोहित को पहले से पता था कि अच्छा ये कंटेंट स्पेस में ये 4-5 नाम हैं, ऐसे ऐसे हम स्टडी करते हैं ना पूरा कुछ काम करने से पहले, तो उसमें मतलब जब मोहित ने मुझे आपके बारे में बताया था कि ये भी चैनल है, तो मुझे ये पता था कि अच्छा ये कैसा चैनल है जिसके साथ ही कंट्रोवर्सी हो चुकी है पहले, कि डिलीट हो गया था कुछ, मतलब मी नॉट,
मेरा चैनल को आप ढूंढते हो तो पहले वो दिखता है रादर देन माय कंटेंट।
या सो मतलब मी बीइंग अ गाय हु डज नॉट वॉच फुटबॉल कंटेंट ऑन यूट्यूब, उसको ये बात पता थी। एंड देन इवेंचुअली एज आई गॉट टू नो यू बेटर, तब मुझे जो चीज़ पता चली, आई वॉन्ट यू टू शेयर कि एक्चुअली में उस टाइम पे क्या हुआ था, एंड जो प्रोजेक्ट करा जा रहा है यूट्यूब पे, क्या वो एक्चुअली में सच है या फिर कुछ और है? व्हाट इज योर साइड ऑन
बट आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैज बीन प्रोजेक्टेड बिकॉज एवरीवन हैज देयर टेक्स, और मैं तो भाई टू बी ऑनेस्ट जस्ट आई नो व्हाट आई हैव डन बेसिकली। हम सब हाथ पैर मारते हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ डूइंग वेल व्हाइल यू वांट टू फॉलो योर पैशन, ठीक है, इन दिस फील्ड, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर हियर। तो आई हैड इनिशिएटेड वन थिंग जो इन माई नॉलेज एटलीस्ट आई थिंक इंडियन फुटबॉल कम्युनिटी में कोई नहीं करता था, विच इज़ बेसिकली has to do a weekend with that's me Ankit, where I used to get on people on my platform, random subscribers. तो मैं StreamYard का जो भी है whatever platform you use, link I used to share it publicly, which actually happens even till date and used to happen internationally on a lot of channels, and I've been there, and that's how I actually kind of got motivated towards it initially rather, right? तो मैं लाता था, तो it went on for a good few weekends, and you can almost say कि the initial growth of the channel along with my quizzes which used to be popular at the time was this show that I'm talking about. And one fine day, again a random day, and I used to have a few moderators or moderating the chat. There was a guy called Rahul, I think, probably, if I remember right. And one fine day basically I gave this, and people come on मुझे request करते हुए कि भाई I want to join. So I'm like okay. तो generally more or less I used to prefer only known people जो regular chat में आते हैं, या basically I know them, maybe co-creators or maybe some social media में active है, something like that, right, जो हम जानते हैं, kind of can trust at least. तो one random guy called himself as Rahul in the chat and came on. तो I thought is Rahul the moderator. I don't remember the second name, but basically वो है, ठीक है। तो वो था और मैं ऐड कर दिया। So while we were talking and discussing the weekend review previews etc, so basically this guy comes, or the moment I get on screen, there was I think I was told, मैंने तो देखा भी नहीं to be honest, there was like literally for a couple of seconds I think porn or something flashing content. Correct? तो I don't know what kind of it was, मैं तो literally देखा नहीं, and before I could even realize what just happened, basically the stream got shut down first. Correct? My other guests were there who were also from the subscribers, and we were all talking to each other what has happened etc, and I get calls from a couple of co-creators, and I'm seeing that stream nahi channel bhi gir gaya is what happened. I explained them etc.
Is it within a few minutes?
Seconds
channel
it was a
band
2-second clip
ban,
and probably in about 50 seconds my channel was gone. ठीक है, and I'm like nowhere, and I'm like okay fine, I've seen a lot of hard things in life, and that at that point already I think I had close to 10,000 subscribers if I remember right, maybe not 7,000 था probably, right, 7,000 subscribers थे, and I just got monetized few months ago and all that, right, वो था। But yeah, तो फिर eventually lot of creators kind of backed me, उन लोग ने वीडियो बनाया, again thankful for that, always will be, just to kind of create an awareness कि this thing has happened, it is totally unfair because someone has misused the जो मैंने किया, obviously it was naive at my end as well at the end of the day, but someone has clearly faked someone else's identity to kind of get into my channel, and it happened in a matter of seconds, where probably at least I would have just removed the stream if I was given at least 1 minute, right? वो चीज़ करने के अब क्या चैनल ही गायब है भाई, तो वो चीज़ हो गया। तो उसके लिए एक people made some videos and big up to them again, लेकिन एक ट्रेंड जैसे हो गया कि सपोर्ट ऑलमाइटी ब्लूज, एंड सम पीपल आई कैन नॉट जज हु एक्सेट्रा, लेकिन सम पीपल ऑब्वियसली वर जेन्युइन, सम पीपल आर लाइक भाई ट्रेंड, इट वाज ट्रेंडिंग, तो हम भी बनाते हैं क्योंकि व्यूज़ मिलेंगे, वो भी हुआ है. बट मोर और लेस पीपल वर जेन्युइन एंड अगेन आई एम थैंकफुल. इवेंचुअली यूट्यूब को भी मीनवाइल बहुत कांटेक्ट करने की कोशिश किया. इट हैपेंड फॉर अबाउट वीक आई गेस. और यूट्यूब को बहुत कांटेक्ट करने की कोशिश की. अगेन बिग अप टू कुलदीप भाई यार, गिव हिम अ शाउट आउट एज वेल. कुलदीप यादव also was involved.
Okay.
Yeah, at least sharing. I think he shared a story. I believe Karan Singh also shared his story, etc. Probably helped me. But these are celebrities I'm naming because उसके बावजूद YouTube did not listen to me. They turned down my requests कि भाई वापस से आप नहीं करेंगे चैनल. But वही eventually all these people tried, put messages, social media, trend and all that, nothing worked. Finally मैं एक केस स्टडी खुद ही तैयार किया. एक ईमेल लिखा बड़ा सा, एक केस स्टडी तैयार किया and saying that this is what happened exactly XYZ. It was someone who was faking as someone else. It was seconds or a minute. Can it be the first and last warning, and probably next time I'll not do this thing. और मेरे तरफ से कोई proper on purpose गलती नहीं थी. तो I don't know, somehow one fine day YouTube just, तब तक ट्रेंड खत्म हो गया था, by the way. तब तक ट्रेंड खत्म हो गया था. YouTube one fine day, got back to me, and I think it was Madrid Pandits. They called me like, भैया आपका चैनल वापस आ गया. I didn't even know. So they got back to me, and then I saw, yes, there was an email in my inbox saying that. And this happened like 1 week after the trend, so to speak, in our community. तो वो हुआ था. तो that I got back, and then बस kind of had to start from scratch almost. So वो चीज़ था. लेकिन I was definitely I got a lot of love, sympathy बोल दो. In the initial few weeks I got a lot of it. Again, अच्छी बात भी है, लेकिन बुरी बात ये है कि people think that probably that is why I grew, but they don't know the backdrop of it. But yeah, it's definitely pluses and minuses both with it. I'm thankful for people who were there during the time. It has a moral support to me eventually.
But if you want, I will cut this off from the podcast. But एक जो question था मेरे दिमाग में when you told me कि there are chances that this was an inside job. Are you comfortable discussing that?
नहीं किया मैं जानबूझ के. But देखो, बहुत लोगों ने बहुत चीज़ बोला है, ठीक है. Let me put it this way. If you get into a marriage, and if things don't go well, sometimes you just call it quits or get into a job. Sometimes the reason is not told to you, the true reason which is actually the reason. आपको पता है? Just to kind of, आपको पता है something called constructive dismissal in a job. You basically just try to do things so that बंदा खुद ही छोड़ दे finally.
अच्छा.
Laporta is doing.
वो वाला चीज़. तो like so it's difficult to come to conclusions. लेकिन बहुत चीज़ें बोले गई है मुझे by people who supposedly know the insiders, in the knows, कि ये है वो है इसलिए ये किया है वो किया है. My sources would like to say कि I kind of know कि it's definitely an insider who was a plot, because it is very coincident that a person, a creator called me the moment this happened, and that creator was hardly a creator that I was attached as even to you guys, for example, which was kind of surprising, which is in the moment was a very good gesture, and I was like, wow, thankful, and I am thankful. If I'm wrong, but logically speaking, if you think about it, it could be plotted. It could be plotted because I was beginning to, although very initial, beginning to trend, and my kind of content, मैं अकेला नहीं था, तो there was competition, or the community was still building at that time, and again being so called OG of the community, at least people called. तो वो एक चीज़ मुझे बोला गया था, and again I believed some, I did not believe some. मैं किसी को डायरेक्टली बोला नहीं हूँ कि भाई मुझे पता है तू नहीं किया, but I kind of have a sense of it.
अब सोचो अगर एक क्लिप इतनी बढ़िया थी तो पूरा का पूरा पॉडकास्ट कितना बढ़िया होगा.
तो अगर आपको इसी क्लिप का पूरा पॉडकास्ट देखना है तो यहाँ पे क्लिक करिए, और अगर आपको ऐसे ही और क्लिप्स बिंज वॉच करनी है तो यहाँ पे क्लिक करिए.